There are two types of hard drive that you can get for your computers, HDD and SSD. Thanks to the significant speed upgrade that is delivered over the standard HDD, SSD are now becoming all the rage. It is faster and more reliable as a storage device. If you're still using the standard HDD for your operating system, it's about time to migrate to an SSD drive. Migrate operating system in EaseUS Partition Master is a procedure of cloning the system and boot partitions from one hard drive to another on one computer. It creates an exact replica including all files and applications inside that can be used immediately after you swap the drive and boot from the new one. When launching EaseUS Partition Master, you can find the Migrate OS feature in the top taskbar. Click on it and our product will automatically select the source, so please just select another drive with same disk type to continue the job. That means the two drives should be both MBR or GPT. Click next and you will get this preview page showing you what the disk layout will be after the migrate. Three separate options are available here: autofill the disk, clone as the source, and you can also select edit disk layout to decide what is the partition size yourself. Click OK and this operation will be pending until applied in the pending operation list. Check whether everything is correctly set up in the main page. You will be ready to proceed. Click Execute Operation button at the top of the product and you will receive a reviewing page to show you all the operations that will be applied. Please note that a reboot will be required for clone operation, so please ensure you save all your work before clicking on Apply. If you have partitions on the target drive, they will also be wiped prior to the migrate. After clicking Apply, your PC will boot into the native mode to process the migrate. Please note that your PC will reboot twice in the procedure, so please do not touch your PC until our program shows you the migrate is completed. After the migrate is done, please take out your source HDD and connect your target drive internally while the same port and try to boot from the new drive. If you have any other questions about this feature, please feel free to contact us at support@easeus.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.